Hello students, welcome to your channel. Students, today we are going to take trigonometry 6.1 practice set, question number 4, 5th and 6th and 7th question, and the remaining question we'll take into the next video. So this question is very important because we are proving the question. So before that we have to look our previous video also for relation for the trigonometric identities. Okay, so that is also very important part of this questions. So let's take the fourth questions. Okay, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you really like the video, please comment and share your views also. So fourth question, sec theta minus cos theta in bracket cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta and sec theta. What we have to do is, this is a proof of kind of questions. So we need to left hand side, we need to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so I already written the question, so let's start. So this is the questions. So what we have to do is, we have to do a left hand side portion, we have to bring it down. So this is sec theta minus cos theta in one bracket, and this is cot theta plus tan theta into the another bracket. Okay, so left hand side, this is left hand side values, we need to bring it down, and we need to take out the answer of the right hand side. Okay, so therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now if you see that sec theta is the relation of 1 upon cos theta, cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta, and tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, we need to learn carefully these relations and identities also. So let's start. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, okay, minus this cos theta will remain as it is only, okay, into the one bracket, and this is cot theta means cos theta upon sin theta, and it is the reciprocal of cot theta and tan theta. So tan theta, the relation is sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, if we need to write the reason also, we can write the reason also. This is the reason. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, comma cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta, and similarly tan theta. So in place of tan theta, we have written sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, so reason also plays an important role. So now see here, we need to cross multiply this and this also, okay, in this way. So cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. So it is 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta, we need to write it down. Okay, this is into the one bracket, and this also cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta, and upon sin theta into cos theta. So this is sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now what we have to do is, now see here, so 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Look at the identity. So 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, and this cos theta will remain as it is only, and this is into one bracket, and here also cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. This is the first identity, and this sin theta into cos theta will remain as it is only. Okay, again we need to write the reason how it came. 1 minus cos square theta in place, we have written sin square theta, and one more is there, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So in this way we can write the reason also. Okay, now open the bracket with a simple multiplication sign. So sin square theta upon cos theta, open the bracket with a multiply sign, and this 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Now see here, to power is 2 and here is 1 only. So we can cut sin theta into sin theta, and remaining is sin theta because it is square is there. So 1 we have already taken, so remaining is sin theta. Okay, now sin theta upon cos theta multiply by, in here also 1 upon cos theta. Now if you look at the relation, sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta, multiply by 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. Okay, so this is equal to right hand side. If you see the right hand side value, we already got this answer. Okay, so relation and identity is very important. If you are not having look at our previous video, you can go through the previous video. Okay, you can easily understand this kind of question also. Okay, so this is the fourth question. Now let's take the fifth question also. In the fifth question also, I have written the questions cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. So what we have to do is, same left hand side we need to bring it down. So cot theta plus tan theta. Now again we need to go back to our relations and identity. So cot theta, the relation is cos theta upon sin theta, and plus here also tan theta sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, again we need to cross multiply in the same manner which you are doing in the previous question. So cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta, plus sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta, and again upon sin theta into cos theta. So this is the process of cross multiplication. Now again we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So upon, we need to try to bring the remaining values sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so we can write the reason also here, and here also we can write the reason. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta, comma tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, make a habit of writing the reason also, and here also cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Okay, we already learned the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now what we have to do is, here one value is there, here two values there, so we need to separate it, both this value along with this whatever the sign is there in the between. So 1 upon sin theta, and here multiplication sign is there, so we need to put multiply, and 1 upon cos theta. So again we need to go to the relation. 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta, okay, and 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. So if we look at the right hand side, we got the answer, so we need to write here RHS, that is right hand side, and in the answer we need to write the entire question. Okay, here also we can write the reason. 1 upon sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta, and 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. Okay, so in this way we can take the 3 marks from the board examination. Okay, now let's take the sixth question. Sixth question I have written here. So sixth question also very simple. Okay, 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. So what we have to do is we need to bring down the left hand side here again. So left hand side is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Now what we have to do is, now see here in the denominator two values there. So what we have to do is we need to do the rationalizing the denominator. It means what? 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta will remain as it is only, and multiply by, now we need to conjugate the sign also. Sec theta, here minus sign is there, so we need to put the plus sign. Okay, so we already learned the conjugate of rationalizing the denominator in 9th standard. So sec theta minus sign will become plus sign here, and again we need to write down sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, we need to write the reason, very important, rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Okay, so we need to write the reason also. Now see here, multiplication sign is there, so we need to multiply it. 1 into sec theta plus tan theta is sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, and again sec theta into sec theta is sec square theta, and minus into plus is minus. Tan theta into tan theta is tan square theta now. Okay, so what we have to do is we need to go to the identity now. See here, sec theta plus tan theta will remain as it is only. Okay, plus tan theta, and here sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We can write here 1, and we can write the reason also. So what is the reason? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so what we have to do is, now look at the reason here, relations. Okay, sec theta plus tan theta upon 1. So upon 1 normally we don't write, so whatever the numerator value is there, we need to bring it down. Sec theta plus tan theta here. Now look at the right hand side, we got the answer here. Okay, so we need to write equal to RHS, yani right hand side. In the answer we need to write the entire question. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, I hope you understood this question also. Very simple, very easy. Okay, now let's go to the 7 questions, also very important. Okay, here power 4 is there, so we need to split into the 2, okay, into the table 2 here. So how we can split it? See here, Now one more thing is there in the question. It is given sec theta. Now the correction is there. It is not a sec theta. It is a sin theta. Okay. So we need to do the correction also. It is not a sec theta. It is a sin theta. Okay. So we need to write sin theta. Now sin square theta, again we need to write the square, 2 to the 4 here power, and here also now we need to bring down the left hand side is equal to, okay. Now here also cos square theta in bracket square, okay, 1 minus 2 cos square theta, we need to take out the value here. Now see here sin square theta square minus cos square theta is square. So what we have to do is we need to make one equation into the plus and one equation into the minus. So is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta in one bracket, and in another bracket sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay. Now what we have to do is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 here, and this value we need to write remain as it is only. Okay. And we can show the reason also how it came 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 by fundamental identities of trigonometry. Okay. Now what we have to do is we need to multiply with 1, so it remains same sin square theta minus cos square theta now. Okay. Now we have to take out the value is 1 minus 2 in cos square theta. So this value we need to break into the identity. So it is sin square theta. So first identity we can split it. So it becomes 1 minus cos square theta. This minus cos square theta will remain as it is only. Okay. We can write the reason, very important. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta now. Okay. Now 1 remain as it is only 1. This minus into minus is plus. Okay. Plus means cos square theta plus cos square theta is 2 cos square theta, and we need to put the minus sign, 2 cos square theta. Look at the right hand side. We got the answer here. So write down right hand side, and in the answer also we can write the entire question. Okay, just remember it is not a sec square power 4 theta, it is sin power 4 theta. Okay, so this is the 4 questions we are covering up in this video, and in the next video, in the last video, we can cover the entire 5 questions. Okay, so I hope you like the video. So stay tuned, stay watch, okay, and comment share your views also. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself.